Welcome to our guide on how to utilize the global search text box for filtering by business, vendor, account, date, amount, description, and document categories in Docket. To begin, start by logging into your Docket account. Locate the search text box at the top row of the page. You can search for specific information by entering business, vendor, account, date, amount, description, and document categories. The All drop-down consists of 7 categories, where you can select a specific category and will find history of specific category. If you click on All by default, you will get a list of all history for all businesses that you have access to. If you select any one category from the lists, you would be able to view the history of documents/transactions for all businesses related to the selected category. If you select any one category, you will be able to view 4 different filters. Filter by business, the search system will display all documents associated with the specific business you've selected. Filter by status, you can view the filter results based on the status of the document. Filter by date, you have the option to apply a filter to the date, allowing you to access historical data corresponding to the selected date. Filter by amount here, you can review transaction history by specifying an exact amount or by defining a range. You have 2 options to choose from, namely, filter by exact amount, filter by range. You can retrieve document/transaction details by clicking on any document that appears in the search results. Clicking on the document will open a new window where you can view all details pertaining to the document based on your access control settings for that document type. When you type anything into the global search, you'll see results based on the entered text. For example, type travel, you will find lists of transactions/documents for travel category.
You can view all documents or transactions within the selected category by clicking View All at the bottom of the global search results. And that's it! You have now successfully learned how to utilize the global search text box in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.